Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at sorting through our books to find only the best books by rating and by price. Then, in the next video, we're going to add that into a menu. For now, we're going to make our app return, or rather export, these books so that we can import them from our menu. So we're going to delete this for books, for book in books, and we're going to end with this books being equal to page.books. In Python, every variable that you see here, requests, all books page, page content, page, and books, are automatically exported so that anybody else can import them. For example, as another example of what's happening here, if we go to our all books page, you can see that it creates a few things. It creates this class, all books page, this book parser, all books page locator, and beautiful soup. These four things are all available sort of at the top level of the file. When you go into app.py, you could import beautiful soup. It would be a weird thing to do, but this is something you can do. And so the purpose of me telling you this is, as soon as you create a variable like books equal page.books, which is the result of launching the scraper, and getting all that data out, this variable can now be imported by another file. When that file tries to import books, we will run through this entire file, end up calculating books, and be able to import it. So let's go over and create a new file that I'm going to call menu in the top level. And from app, we're going to import books. Okay. Then we're going to define a function print best books, for example. What this is going to do is it's going to sort the books that we've got here, this list of book parser objects, and it's only going to give me the top 5 books, which means they're going to be the 5-star books, or some of them at least are going to be 5-star books. Okay, so the best books are going to be, and what we need to do here is sort the books by their rating. So what we're going to do is say sorted books, and the key is going to be lambda x dot rating. Okay, all this does, all this does is it takes the books list, the collection, and it sorts it. For every element, it's going to look at this key function to see what it's sorting by. And then here we're telling it to sort by the rating property.